we always kissed, and how we drank the sun, killed the night, and fought the sleeping one, and left it all unmade, and it was only... What's up, guys? Today we're learning Innocent, Vigilant, Ordinary by the Appleseed Cast. It's a great song. I love it. It's in standard tuning. We have the capo on the 4th fret. I'm using a pick here, and I'm showing you what I've learned from watching them play live. So the main riff and the chords they use, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with that main riff by putting our middle finger on the 3rd string from the top, 2nd fret. Okay, and I'll play it really slow for you. Okay, so what am I doing there? I am down picking on the 3rd string, up picking on the 4th, back to 3rd, back to 4th, back to 3rd, pull off our finger and hit 3rd again. Nice. Then we're going to the 2nd string, 2nd fret, pluck, 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 pull off, ring finger, top string, 3rd fret. Cool, so it should sound like this. Great. So you're going to do that 4 times. But on the 4th time, it's a little bit different to finish off the thing. So it's going... pluck, off, 3rd fret. Pluck, 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 pull off, 3rd. Nice. So for the beginning of that song, he plays that whole pattern twice on loop. So the 4 with the ending twice. Then he jumps right into the verse. So for the verse, we start with a C chord. Okay, and I'm going to show you what it is really slowly. That's the whole loop. That's the whole verse. That's literally every time he's singing, basically, it's just those 4 chords on loop. So, starting with our C, that's our ring finger on the 2nd string from the top, 3rd fret, middle finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then pointer on the 5th string, 1st fret, pinky, 6th string, 3rd fret. Voila. So you're going... Really, the strumming pattern doesn't matter, but what I'm doing is down, down, up, switch, down, up, switch, down, up, switch, down. Okay, so you can do that if you'd like. We switch to an A minor. So that's our middle finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, pointer finger, 5th string, 1st fret, pinky, 6th string, 3rd fret. Okay. Then switching to an E minor, keeping our pinky on. So pointer finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then pinky finger, again, 6th string, 3rd fret. And then finishing off with a B chord, I believe that's what it's called. We're taking our pinky off now, and it's just pointer on the 2nd fret, 2nd string, and then our ring on the 5th string, 3rd fret. So... Oh no, I said I think about the times, the way you smiled at me. Or later on the song, when he goes, I want you to know that I'll always love you, I'll always be your friend. It's the same, okay? So that's the whole verse / chorus. That's the song. Cool. So for the whole verse, you'll play that pattern in total, I think 4 times, but I have to count it out. But you know what the pattern is, so you go get it. Okay, so after that first verse, they do a lick thing on the electric guitar, which sounds pretty cool. It's a little harder on acoustic, but I'll show it to you anyway. This is what it sounds like, slowly. You kind of hear that. I'll use the frets from the whole guitar when I'm explaining this. So remember, this double dotted one is 12. So you're going to put your pinky on 13, and then put our middle on 11. pull off to the middle, pull off to open. Yeah, that's all it is basically. And then you scoot your pinky up to the 3rd string, still on the 13th fret. Put our pointer finger on the 9th fret of the whole guitar. And so you pull off. Okay, hopefully you can kind of get that if you want to do it. Okay, so directly after doing that lick, he kind of transitions by doing part of the riff from before. So it goes after doing the stuff down here. Cool. Then he jumps into saying, "You were the only one, it was only once," over and over again, and he's just doing that riff. The only one, okay? And then he gets to verse 2, which is the same as verse 1. So you just play it how you did. And then after he finishes verse 2, I think he might do the lick again, or he does some of the riff. Then he goes to verse 3, which is, "I want you to know that I'll always love you and always be your friend." Same thing as verse 1. And after verse 3, he goes back down here and does the lick. Okay? That's the whole song. You know everything. You have everything you need. I hope I added some value to your day. If I did, please drop a like. Also subscribe. I do all the cool underground songs that the mainstream guitar tutorialists won't do. And have a great day.